Hello students, welcome to online geography classes of class 12. Today I'm going to discuss the answers that I've already uploaded in the PDF. Now first is related to the NCERT questions. There are two sets of the questions in NCERT. Number one is 30 word answers and number two is 150 words answer. Now define human geography. The human geography answer, you can quote the definition either of Ratzel or of Sample or of Blasch, and afterward as a conclusion you can write the human geography in a generalized manner in your own language. Now, second, name some subfields of human geography. If you see the table of the fields of human geography, there are many subfields related to behavioral geography, electoral geography, geography of resources, cultural geography, and so on. It is there. So, you just jot down haphazardly some of the subfields from that table. How is human geography related to other social sciences? Now, under the that table of fields of human geography, the first field is related to social geography, and the third column is related to the interface with the sister disciplines of the social science. So you have to just write the answer by framing it in a statement order, that how human geography is related to the other social science. Now when we deal up with the society, we deal up with the subject sociology. When we scientifically study the human mind and its function, we study the psychology, that is another social science. When we deal up with the welfare of the society and its well-being in terms of monetary and financial aspect, we study the welfare economics. Again, the word sociology is given. Now, when we study the scientific study of human behavior of society, in present and the past conditions, we study about the subject anthropology. When we deal up with the that is the studies related to the women section, we studies the women studies. When we study about the history, about the colonial period, or relating to the facts related to the human geography of the early mans and the present, we study about the history. When we study the branch of medicine, we study the epidemiology under that subject of social geography. So in this way, you have to write down the answer for that question in a very precise manner. Now next, naturalization of the humans. The naturalization of the humans, that is given over there. It's already given in the PDF. You will just read out and write down the answer from there. The scope of human geography of answer is already given. Now I'm proceeding with the board question. The 6 thrust areas of human geography that is given. It is related to the table where it is given the exploration and the description in the early colonial period, the regional analysis in the later colonial period, the areal differentiation in the years of 30s, spatial organization from 1950 to 1960, then emergence of the 3 schools, that is humanistic, radical and the behavioral school, and lastly the postmodernism in geography. So these are the 6 major approaches of human geography, or the thrust areas of human geography. Now name the 6 subfields. Next question, subfields of economic geography. You will get it from that table, that is field of geography. In the similar order, you will get the answer of the 6 subfields of the social geography from that same table. 2012, define human geography. You can quote any of the definition and give 4 examples of the elements created by the human resource from the nature. Now number 1, we have developed the dams, so we have used the resource water. We have constructed the road. We have used the land. We have developed we are cultivating crops. We have used the resource soil. And next we can consider that we are practicing terrace cultivation. We have used the altitude of the mountain. And there are many examples that you can take it as a reference. That is 2012. 12 first question. 2012 the second question. Traditional approaches means the approaches that is given over there as a environmental determinism and possibilism, or naturalization of humans and humanization of the nature. That is the second question of human geography. Next, 2013. Define human geography, again the same in your own words, and mention 4 fields of human geography. The 4 fields are social geography, urban geography, political geography, population geography, settlement geography, economic geography. Any 4 fields you can write. Next is 2014. Explain with example how nature get humanized. Now with example how nature gets humanized, I have already explained the examples in the previous question only. Again, I am that is repeating the same thing, that when we are making any sort of cultural landscape, like when we are making the that is pasture grounds, when we are making the that is oceanic routes, when we are making the on the rolling hills, we are making the step farming, so we are doing the step farming on the highlands, when we are developing the health resorts, when we are developing lots of tourist spots, all these are related to the examples of the possibilism. So you can take any example that is able to make the nature humanized. Now next, it is 2015 and 16. The same question is there for both the years. The knowledge about the nature is extremely important to develop technology. Give 3 examples. Now the 3 points is already given in the PDF. You will just relate to the point and you will support the example to all those 3 points. 2018 there was no question related to, 2017 one question is there. Nature provides opportunities and human make use of this and slowly gets humanized and starts bringing the imprints of start bearing the imprints of human endeavor. The same answer is of question number A of 2014. The answer will be the same. The language of the question is just the different. 2018 there was no question, and 2019 you have to just analyze the aspect, or that is the concept of behavioral school of thought, which has already been mentioned in the PDF. So hopefully now the answers to all the question is clear to each and every student, and you will do this work in your copy. Thank you for following the class.